Hello everyone. Good morning to all my children and all my viewers. You are watching the channel Afia's Classroom. My name is Afia and this is my third video on this channel. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and drop comment in the comment box. So let's begin with the video. The topic of my today's video is animals. See, I have got a very beautiful, attractive picture book and I'm going to teach children different animals and the name of the animal babies. So please listen carefully. First animal is dog. Dog, and the baby dog is called as a puppy. A puppy. You can see the picture. This is a dog and a puppy. And the dog says bhav bhav. What sound does a dog make? Bhav bhav. You must have heard dogs doing bhav bhav on the streets, on the locality, in some building, right? The second animal is cat. Cat. Kitten is a baby cat. Kitten is a baby cat. The cat says meow. What sound does a cat make? Meow. The next animal is cow. Cow. And the baby cow is called as a calf. Calf. The cow says moo. Moo. Coming to the next bird, hen. Hen. What is this? It's a hen. Baby hen is called as chick. Chick. The hen says cluck. Cluck, 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 cluck. Tiger. The next animal is tiger. Baby tiger is called as a cub. Cub. And the tiger says roar. Roar. Elephant. What is this? It's an elephant. Baby elephant is called as a calf. Calf. The elephant says trumpet. 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 This is how an elephant makes sound. Trumpet. Frog. What is this? Frog. And what is this? It's a tadpole. What is a tadpole? Tadpole is a baby frog, right? The frog says ribbit, 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 ribbit. This is how the frog makes sound. Ribbit. Pig. What is this? It's a pig. And piglet is small pig. A baby pig is called as piglet. Piglet. The pig says oink, oink, oink. Donkey. What is this? Donkey. The baby donkey is called as a foal. Foal. The donkey says hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw. Are you getting it? The sound of a donkey is hee-haw. Monkey. What is this? Monkey. Small baby monkey is called as infant. Infant. The monkey says chatter, 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 chatter. Parrot. What is this? It's a parrot. See, it is so beautiful and colorful bird. Parrot. Baby parrot is called as chick. Chick. And the parrot says squawk. 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 Camel. What is this? It's a camel. See? Such a huge big camel. And the baby camel is calf. Calf. The camel says grind. 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 What is this? It's a horse. Horse. Baby horse is foal. Foal. The horse says neigh. 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 This is the sound a horse makes. Neigh. Zebra. What is this? It's a zebra. And the baby zebra is called as foal. Foal. The zebra says Vinny. 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 Okay children, so I have come to the end of my today's video. Hope you all have seen each and every animal and the animal baby carefully and learnt the animal sound also. Okay, so bye bye, take care. I will be back with more videos, and my videos will focus on academics as well as motivational also. So please like, share and subscribe. Okay, take care. Bye bye.